Hello, yes. As shown in this picture, if the subscribe button is in the red color, you please press that so that you can subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. And then a bell button will appear. If you press that, my future videos, it will come as a personal notification to you, and so that you can immediately watch it. Thank you.
Now let us see the meaning of the fourth sloka in the first Dashakam. It starts with Nishkambe Nityapurne. Nishkambe means it is changeless. The Nityapurne means, let us divide this word into the two words, Nitya Purna. Nitya means a daily, Purna means it is a full moon. See, full moon is always a full, there is no deficit in that. So like that, Lord Guruvayurappan, O Guruvayurappa, you are changeless and you are ever full. That is the meaning for these two words. After that, he says, see, in the ocean there are a lot of pearls. These pearls actually has got the very high value, like that Guruvayurappan has got the lot of devotees in the temple always. So full of devotees. Actually, the devotees are the normal, not normal devotees. The person who will always, generally normal person will always think about him and his surroundings. He cannot forget about his profits, his family, like that. But the devotees at the Guruvayur are the one who has forgotten about the surroundings. Always think about the God Guruvayurappan. They have forgotten about everything, the surroundings and everything. See, they would have got even a lot of prayers to make before the Lord Guruvayurappan. But actually when they reach the temple, and even in that case, they will be thinking about, we have to ask about this, we have to pray like this, like that. But when you see the Guruvayurappan, you forget everything, including your prayers. You only think about the Lord Guruvayurappan. So, the Guruvayurappan temple is surrounded by the devotees who has forgotten about the everything. This is being compared with the raising the waves in the ocean. See, it is the crowd is like, the devotees are all like the ocean, the big ocean, and they are like, they are making prayers, and they are like the big waves in the ocean. So, after that, what he says, Nitya Purnam, he is the Nitya Purna Swarupan, Lord Guruvayurappan. There is no doubt about that. That's what he is telling Narayana Bhatta. He also says, see, the Lord Narayanan has taken a lot of avatarams. Matsavadaram, Kurmavadaram, Narsimavadaram, Ramavadaram, Krishna Avataram. Like that, in each avataram, it has got a specific role. He has to do some specific role. In the Ramavadaram, he has to kill the Ravana. Krishna Avataram, he has to kill the Kamsa. Like that, each avataram, he has the specific goal. But the Narayanan at Guruvayurappan temple is actually Purna Avataram. He is a Purna Avataram, and he says Narayana Bhatta, there is no doubt about it. This is what he says in the fourth sloka. the meaning of this sloka. Hope it is now clear. After seeing this video, you go through the sloka, then you will understand the meaning of it. Thank you for watching this video. In the next episode, let us chant the 5th sloka of the Narayanam. Narayaneeyam. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.